The top 5 most intelligent pets and their amazing feats. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the extraordinary world of animal intelligence? While humans have long been hailed as the smartest beings on Earth, today we'll reveal the remarkable creatures that challenge that notion. Welcome to Pets Academic, your portal to fascinating insights. Don't forget to click the link in the description to delve deeper into the wonders of the animal kingdom. Chimpanzee. Our first stop on this thrilling journey brings us face to face with the incredible chimpanzee. These beings share a whopping 98% of their DNA with us, and it shows. Chimpanzees have left us awestruck with their tool usage. Picture this: chimps using sticks to extract termites from mounds. Their problem-solving champs. Communication skills: a complex system of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions lets them convey precise messages. Problem solving: watch them strategize, adapt, and even use teamwork to achieve goals. Mirror self-recognition: they recognize themselves in mirrors, hinting at an impressive level of self-awareness. Social intelligence: living in intricate social groups, they form strong bonds, exhibit empathy, and display remarkable social skills. Number 2, Dolphin. Dive into the depths of the ocean with dolphins, often regarded as the geniuses of the sea. Their large brains relative to body size and intriguing cognitive abilities include communication: a diverse array of clicks, whistles, and body postures allows them to coordinate group activities and respond to their names. Cooperative behaviors: dolphins employ coordinated hunting strategies, showcasing their intelligence and understanding. Problem solving: from tool usage to inventive play behaviors, dolphins exhibit remarkable cognitive skills. Number 3, Orangutan. Moving on to the lush rainforests, we encounter orangutans, nature's inventors. Their advanced abilities include toolmaking: they've been seen using sticks to extract insects or leaves as makeshift umbrellas. They even create tools from scratch. Cognitive abilities: impressive memory and problem-solving skills help them navigate their environment and social dynamics. Human communication: through training programs, they've learned to communicate using sign language and gestures. Number 4, Elephant. The giants of the savannah, elephants, may not be traditional pets, but they're undeniably smart. Highlights of their intelligence encompass exceptional memory: they recall specific locations even years after encountering them. Complex social behaviors: communication, emotions, and cooperation form the basis of their tight-knit social structure. Problem solving: using tools, displaying empathy, and understanding emotions showcase their remarkable cognitive abilities. Number 5, Crow. Our final destination is the skies, where crows soar with intelligence. Behold their astounding talents. Tool usage: crows fashion tools to extract food from challenging spots, demonstrating adaptability and intelligence. Self-recognition: they recognize themselves in mirrors, suggesting an unparalleled level of self-awareness. Complex social behaviors: crows live in tight-knit family groups and communicate effectively. Teaching the young: adult crows mentor their offspring, passing down knowledge and skills. Intelligent pets enrich our lives, forming deep bonds that last a lifetime. Whether it's a cat opening doors or a parrot mimicking speech, they bring joy and companionship. So, if you're considering adding a pet to your family, remember that intelligence can enhance the experience. Each pet is unique, and their intelligence manifests in various ways, but the love and care we provide are what truly matters. Click the link in the description to learn more about these incredible animals and their intelligence. Join us in celebrating the diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable capabilities of our animal companions.